Good morning or good afternoon. This is Sam from JRA. I'm the business consultant. It's March 30th and we're just about started our busy second quarter. Obviously, you're all aware that second and third quarter are the busiest. So you got to shoot while the ducks are flying, as they say. So here's an important issue that came up with me during my business, and it's all about scheduling capacity. When somebody wants to book a job, the last thing I want them to do is see the time when they want it booked by somebody else. I want to give them every bit of my schedule. So if, for instance, if in Workies, if you're booked, you have a booking between 8 and 10, it doesn't close down that time slot. It still is available for somebody to book during that 8 to 10. And if it's not, then what you're doing is giving the customer an opportunity to go to your competitors. So here's what I'd like you to do, and this is what I did in my business. It was called a ghosting route. It was called a route that mirrored the regular truck route. So if you have one truck route, you have a mirror route. You have two truck routes, you have two mirror routes, so that you're always available when they want you. And that's how I built my business. So how you change this is go into Workies, go into Settings, go into Online Booking, go into Availability, and under Availability you'll see business availability based on three factors. Allow double booking, which I don't recommend. Based on the text availability, again, I don't recommend, but the one I do recommend is selecting the number of jobs per slot. And the number of jobs per slot depends on how many truck routes you have. If you have one truck route, then I'd put 2. If I had 2, I'd put 4. If I had 4, I'd put 8. So that you're always mirroring that, and you never have a route closed down. I was checking a few different schedules out there, and I saw that, for instance, it's Wednesday, and we have time on Monday, the 4th. I think it was the 4th of April, where you couldn't book an appointment during some of the time slots during the day, which is definitely not going to help produce more and more sales. This is how I built my business. This is how you're going to build your business, and I think you'll find it real helpful. Oh, and I know that there's a lot of concern about, double booking and it'll cause an operational headache. Well, here's the reality of it. Each job doesn't take 2 hours, yet we assign a 2-hour slot because it could possibly do that. But the majority of jobs are done in 25 minutes. So considering the fact that if you're doing a job in 25 minutes, you have quite a bit of time. So enough time to book 1 or 2 jobs in there. So obviously there's that opportunity. The other thing is cancellations. Everybody hates cancellations. Unfortunately, they're a nature of the beast. However, keeping them down to either a 10 or 20%, certainly under 20% is normal. But that's at least 1 to 2 out of 10 jobs are going to be canceled. So this allows you to build your schedule to where you're not going to be negatively impacted if somebody does cancel. So again, this was an important part of my scheduling, and it helped me build my business. I hope this helps you. Have a great 2022, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, and good luck. Talk to you soon. Bye now.